Fresh morning breeze, peace of the fields, and homemade desi breakfast. How different is village life from the city? Let's see. Hey everyone! I am going to show you the beauty of the village morning with me today, and my name's Sana. People here wake up very early in the morning. Look, Baba Ji has gone out for his morning walk. He says, morning breeze is the best for health. This cold water from the hand pump is the most loved thing in the village. The women of the village go out to work in the morning, and if you eat the hot breakfast here just once, you will forget the fast food of the city. This peace of the morning, this air, this smell of the soil. All this is felt only in the village. If you ever get a chance, do enjoy the morning in the village. If you like this vlog, do like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Goodbye.